Can you see these crazy sharp peaks up here? Well, that's where I'm going. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and in this new video. Today I'm in a very wild area of Dolomites called Dolomiti Friulane, and today we're going to a spectacular mountain called Cridola, which is a place I've never been before, but it looks incredible from the pictures, so I'm extremely excited to go there. And there's gonna be at least 3 hours hiking. I don't know exactly how long it's going to take, but it's more than 1,000 meters elevation. I'm gonna camp there, so I have all my camping gear as well. It's gonna be hard. I am late, so I need to hike quite fast as well. So stay with me, it's going to be awesome. This way. Skodavacca, 2,043 meters, and looks like this is our trail. I'm at the saddle. That's insane. I think I'm gonna stop here, and I'll tell you why. The way to go up to the top is too hard for me, especially with this huge backpack and no equipment basically. So this is a great camping spot. Light is coming, the landscape is incredible. I don't want to risk my life, so I will stop here and let's start shooting. All right. Tent is set. It's going a bit downhill actually, but it's gonna be totally fine because I'm gonna sleep on the central part of the tent where basically the trail is going, so it's flat and it's gonna be awesome. Today we have boiled eggs, tomatoes, we have some bars and dried fruits. That's good. Cheers. It's getting really humid. I can feel it on my body and especially on the gear. There's a lot of moisture in it. So good that I brought the tent. I'm already in my sleeping bag. There's a lot of fog outside. Basically you cannot see the mountains, so there's nothing to do but rest. It's been a long hike up, took me around 4 hours, and tricky in the last part, really tricky. so I'm a bit tired and I deserve a bit of sleep. So yeah, good night. Good morning. I woke up around 1 hour ago. I've been shooting all around with this fog. It's pretty dynamic. I wasn't able to shoot Milky Way because it was too bright and the moon was too visible during the night. But anyway, right now it's really interesting. The shapes of these pinnacles are coming out as silhouettes, and the crazy textures of the mountain in the background are popping out of the fog, so it's really, really nice. Sun is here. Woo! Crazy. It's time to pack everything up. The tent is extremely wet because, I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of fog, so the night has been really humid, so there's a lot of moisture in it, but luckily I was perfectly dry, so I slept perfectly. the saddle. So another adventure has almost come to an end. I still have about 2 hours hiking down to the car. I really hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did, because I've been super happy to finally visit this incredible area, and I'm looking forward to coming back really soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and share it with your friends, and see you in the next adventure.